Hi, so today I want to give some support to your spine. So this video is all about getting more flexibility into your spine. There's a wonderful phrase in Chinese medicine that says, you're as young as your spine. So it's really important that we have full flexibility into the spine. So let's begin by doing an exercise called the fountain. So your hands are going to come into prayer position right in front of your breastbone. And much like a fountain, we're going to get this sense of energy flowing up, and it's like a fountain pops out of the head, and it just rains down all around you. And as it does, let your hips begin to go backwards. Push the hips forward and create a little pulse up the spine. So we'll get the lower back, and then the mid back, the upper back, all the way up to the crown of the head. And then exhale. Hips go back. And then inhale, hips come forward. And just get a sense of all the vertebrae beginning to move and flex. So, inhale, move the hips, lower back, mid back, upper back, neck, and crown of the head. Exhale, hips go back and we restart. Inhale. Exhale. Getting a sense of the arms just floating through the movement. Not trying to force anything here. Inhale. Exhale. Couple more times. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Good. And then coming down. And now let's pretend that we're holding a ball of light. And let's just kind of compress that ball of light. We're going to take that movement we just did and make it a little bit bigger and do something called embrace the tiger, return to the mountain. So we're going to work with the energy of your heart. So let's take a breath in as we hold this ball. Exhale once again, hips go back as the arms go out, a little bow forward. Inhale, let's create that flow up the spine. And then from the heart, let's do a little wave in the spine as we send energy from the heart. Take a big breath in and gather energy from all around you, like the fresh mountain air, and let it fill you up, as if there's a bucket here at the navel. Exhale, hands go out as the hips go back. A little flow up the spine, just like we've been doing. Exhale, little pulse up the spine. And then inhale. So this is the energy here of the tiger. So this is the energy that flows out and it lives with courage as it comes up, living from your heart, living with dignity. And we're going to breathe in this fresh mountain air, the stability of the mountain that is always present, holding us and keeping us grounded. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Little pulse and inhale. Breathing with the nose. Exhale. Inhale. Let your tongue rest behind the upper front teeth. That'll create this nice deep breathing pattern to help support this movement and get that spine more active. Good. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale and inhale. Let's do one more. Hands go out, hips go back. Inhale, coming up, little wave through the spine, and then inhale. Gathering this energy and imagine it filling right here at the lower dantian, like a big bucket, filling yourself up. Take a few deep breaths as we let it settle. And let's lock it in with 9 rotations. And 9 more in the opposite. I hope that helps you. Have a great day. I'll give you more flexibility into your spine.